How to approve expenses in Expensify. In this video, guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to approve or how to get your expenses approved on the Expensify website. So if you'd like to go ahead and use Expensify for your business and expenses, I do have links to this in the description box down below. So just go ahead and just tap on that so you could get started this on your own. Now, what we need to go ahead and do first is to, well, obviously go on over on Expensify.com, log on to your preferred accounts, and go on over the admin or approver role to see the submitted reports. I want you to tap on the reports tab, and once you're here, just go ahead and filter the reports. So let's go ahead and filter it by needs approval. So we do have drafts over here, outstanding, approved, none of this is approved, and the outstanding is right here. You can also go ahead and filter this through here if you haven't seen the specific expense that you'd like to go ahead and approve just yet. But once you're done, I want you to go ahead and view the expense that you'd like to go ahead and approve. Review it, click on each line of the item to view the image receipts. You could also view the amounts, categories, and policy compliance, and you could add comments, fields, or flag this if something doesn't look right. But once you're done, you could actually now proceed with approving or rejecting the report. If everything looks good, just go ahead and just click approve. So just tap on that. Of course, enter the description if you'd like to go ahead and do that. You could also add some comments over here if you'd like to do that as well. Add the receipts and everything related to this expense. But once you're done, you could send this now to approve. And if not, click just send back and leave a comment for the employee if this is not approved for you. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care. If you'd like to go ahead and use Expensify for your business, I do have links to this in the description box down below. And once again, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.